Hi, this is Paul at Reliable POD, and this is a tutorial on how to create designs for our retractable dog leads using our templates for the Shopify app. First thing you'll want to do is download the template. To do that, pop over to our website, find the product that you're wanting to create designs for, scroll down to the template section. This will give you an overview on the size you need to create. There's a link there to download the template, and there'll be a video here showing you how to use the template. At the bottom of the page, you've got the mock-up, and we've got various mock-ups for each product. If you've never used product mock-ups before, there's a video there showing you how to use them. So once you've got the template, open it up in your graphics program. I'm using Photoshop, but any graphics program will work. First off, you'll see the size. You need to create it square, even though the disc in the dog lead is a circle. It needs to be 551 by 551 pixels. That's pixels, not millimeters, at 200 dpi. Please note that you have to make your designs exactly this size, otherwise they won't upload into the app, even if you're 1 pixel off. The reason for this is our app scales products to exact sizes, so we have to work to exact pixel size. The blue area is the critical image area. Anything that is placed in this part of the image is definitely printed. The red area is the bleed area and may or may not be printed. Anything in the white outside the red area is just dead space. That won't be printed, but you've still got to fill your image all the way up to the edges of the white area, as you'll see. Here's a design I made earlier. If you check on the size of that, you'll see it's 551 square pixels. So if we copy that, and if we paste that in, that should fit perfectly. If you want to check which parts of the image will be printed and where they're going to be positioned on your design, if you come down to this layer, go to the opacity, lower that down to about 40%. You'll be able to see the template show through, and you can see which bits of the image will be missed off and which will be printed. Once you're happy with that, make sure that you move your opacity back up to 100%, save that as a JPEG, and then just upload it into the app and create your products. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye-bye.